The key to the most effective way to improve your study routine is consistency. If you want to improve your academic success, you must establish a good study routine. A good study routine can help you stay organized, focused, and motivated. In this video, we will explore the importance of developing a consistent study routine and provide 7 proven strategies to help you create a schedule that works for you. A daily schedule is a plan that outlines the activities and tasks you intend to complete within a specific time. It helps you balance work and recreation. It helps you manage your time effectively, so no time is wasted doing unimportant activities. When you complete your tasks on time, you feel relieved and less stressed out. Your productivity and motivation also increase. Above all, a daily schedule reminds you to give time for rest, exercise, and even socialize. You can't only study in a distraction-free zone. Focus and concentration is maximized, and distractions are minimized. You will be able to work, study, and even relax. Do you know what distracts you from studying? Identify them and find ways to keep the noise outside your study space. You may have to close a door, or wear noise-canceling headphones. See our previous video to learn more about creating a distraction-free environment. You have to identify your peak study hours. Studies show that it is always great to learn new things during the morning, and in the evening, review lessons. Also, you should consider your personal rhythm and preferences. You might surprise yourself as to when you are most productive. So, pay attention to your peak study hours, and sleep patterns. If you're a night owl, who struggles to wake up early in the morning, it's best you study in the evening. As a student, you are expected to dedicate the right amount of time and effort to your coursework. You may have assignments, reading to do before you attend class, and exams to study for. As overwhelming as it sounds, you have to meet your deadlines to get good grades. So have a look at your syllabus and schedule, identify upcoming assignments and exams, and prioritize them. You may want to put more emphasis on tasks that require more time, and are difficult. This will help you avoid last-minute stress. You must set realistic study goals. Your goals must be meaningful, or SMART, that is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals help you stay focused and avoid procrastination. Ultimately, you are more likely to meet your goals. Also, you will have to consider your learning style, strengths and weaknesses. This will help you identify areas that you need to focus on and choose the best strategies that works best for you. Above all, when setting realistic goals, be honest with yourself. You will need to take breaks to avoid burnout, and bodily aches and pains from sitting too long. Students are most likely to experience burnout during prolonged periods of school-related activities. Sometimes you may get caught up in work and forget to take a break. Consequently, you feel burnout. Feeling burnout can have a negative consequence to your work and personal life. This is why you must take a step back, relax, take a walk, or meet with friends for a refresher. During these breaks you might get new ideas and build your creative self. Life is about personal growth and experience. You are responsible for your own personal growth and success. That is why you must be accountable to yourself. This is how you keep to your promised goals. You will need a high level of self-awareness, discipline, and motivation. Being accountable means you have to identify areas in your study plan that is not working for you and improve it. Finally, taking responsibility means learning from your mistakes. You can do it, don't give up. Well, there you have it. Developing a consistent study routine is undoubtedly one of the best things you can do to succeed in your academic pursuits. With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can make studying the habit that you actually enjoy. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Happy studying!